This video is basically all about my little puppy Kylah. She's very, very cute and random. Okay, just watch. Exhibit shown. Here. This is my puppy, Kylah. I bet you've seen her in that other video. But look at this. This is how I play with her. She's very, very, very snippy, but she's very cute. And she's nice when you watch her to be. Watch. Go. Kisses. Oh, fine then. Don't give me some kisses. I love her so much with all my heart. And yeah, she's standing upright. I declare war, she says. Let's listen to Kylah talk. Let's listen to Kylah talk.
Hello, all of my people.
What do you think of me, Kylah?
I think you're nice,
Really?
but sometimes annoying, you weirdo.
That's enough of Kylah. Well, yeah, I just want to make this video to show you Kylah talking. Okay, well, bye. Peace out, dogs. Look at Kylah. Don't stare at me like that. You're so creepy. Don't stare. You're so creepy, Kylah.